Hey everyone, space exploration. It's a fascinating topic, isn't it? But let's face it, actually exploring space is no easy task. The good news? AI, especially tools like AI Wizard, is stepping in to tackle some of the biggest challenges. From driving rovers to analyzing mountains of data, and even helping us search for alien life, AI is revolutionizing how we explore the cosmos. Stick around, because in today's video, we'll see how AI is pushing boundaries and opening new frontiers. If you're excited about tech and space, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to Kozu Webworks. How AI is transforming space missions. Exploring space sounds amazing, but it's also incredibly complicated. Missions generate massive amounts of data from rovers, satellites, and telescopes. Imagine having to analyze all that information manually. It would take forever. That's where AI comes in. It processes data faster, spots patterns, and makes decisions without needing humans to be involved every step of the way. Take a rover on Mars, for example. It's millions of miles away from Earth, and commands from mission control can take a while to reach it. But thanks to AI, rovers can act independently. They can analyze their surroundings, decide the best route to take, and even figure out which rocks or soil samples to study. This autonomy is what makes modern exploration possible, allowing scientists to learn more without constant manual input. AI as the brain behind autonomous rovers. One of the coolest applications of AI in space exploration is autonomous rovers. These machines aren't just remotely controlled, they think for themselves. NASA's Perseverance rover is a perfect example. It uses AI to make real-time decisions, whether it's avoiding obstacles or choosing the most efficient path across the Martian surface. Imagine the rover encountering a massive boulder. Instead of stopping and waiting for humans to tell it what to do, the AI inside calculates an alternate route. If that boulder looks interesting, it might even decide to analyze it. This kind of decision-making helps rovers cover more ground and gather more valuable data in a shorter time. But AI doesn't just help with navigation. It also helps rovers study their environment. Cameras and sensors powered by AI can identify unique geological features, analyze soil samples, and detect potential signs of past water. It's like having a mini scientist on board, constantly working to uncover the secrets of other planets. Handling space data with AI. Every space mission collects enormous amounts of data. Think about it. Telescopes, rovers, and satellites are capturing images, scanning the atmosphere, and recording signals around the clock. Sorting through all that information is impossible for humans to do alone. This is where AI's data crunching abilities come into play. For example, NASA's Kepler Space Telescope has discovered thousands of planets by monitoring the brightness of stars. AI analyzes these patterns and identifies tiny dips in light, which can indicate a planet is passing in front of a star. By automating this process, AI speeds up discoveries and helps scientists focus on the most promising data. AI is also crucial in monitoring near-Earth objects like asteroids. By examining telescope data, AI can identify potential threats and even predict their trajectories. It's like having a 24/7 space watchtower, keeping an eye on everything that's happening in our cosmic neighborhood. Predicting space weather with AI. Space isn't just empty, it's full of activity that can impact missions. Solar flares, cosmic radiation, and geomagnetic storms can damage satellites, disrupt communication, and pose risks to astronauts. Predicting these events has always been a challenge, but AI is making it easier. By analyzing data from past solar events, AI can recognize patterns and predict when space weather might strike. For example, if there's a risk of a solar flare, AI can give an early warning. This allows space agencies to take precautions, like shutting down sensitive satellite systems or alerting astronauts to stay safe. In the future, as humans travel further into space, predicting space weather will be even more critical. Missions to Mars or deep space stations will rely on AI to provide real-time forecasts, ensuring the safety of both astronauts and equipment. AI improving space communication. As we explore further into the universe, communication becomes a bigger challenge. Messages take longer to travel, and the data being collected keeps getting bigger. AI is helping make communication more efficient by managing how information is sent back to Earth. Let's say a spacecraft is collecting a huge amount of data. Instead of sending everything at once, AI can prioritize what's most important and send that first. This ensures that mission control gets the critical updates right away, while less urgent data can wait. AI can also manage bandwidth, keeping the flow of communication steady even when the system is under heavy use. For deep space missions, where delays can stretch to hours, this kind of smart communication is essential. AI and the search for alien life, searching for extraterrestrial life, is one of the most exciting goals of space exploration. AI plays a key role in this mission, helping scientists look for biosignatures, signs that life might exist or once existed somewhere out there. Take Europa, one of Jupiter's moons. Scientists believe it has an ocean beneath its icy crust, which could potentially harbor life. AI helps analyze data from probes around Jupiter, identifying areas where life might be most likely. This targeted approach saves time and focuses resources on the most promising regions. AI is also helping with the study of exoplanets, planets outside our solar system. By examining their atmospheres, AI can detect gases like oxygen or methane, which could indicate biological activity. This kind of analysis brings us closer to answering one of humanity's biggest questions. Are we alone in the universe? Supporting astronauts with AI. AI isn't just for robots. It's also helping astronauts. On the International Space Station, ISS, AI assists astronauts with tasks like fixing equipment or running experiments. In the future, AI will be even more valuable during longer missions, like trips to Mars. Imagine an astronaut needing to repair a piece of life support equipment. Instead of waiting for instructions from Earth, AI can provide step-by-step guidance. It's like having a virtual assistant that's always ready to help. AI can also monitor the health of astronauts, track their vital signs, and even suggest treatments if something goes wrong. For future deep space missions, where astronauts will be far from Earth, this kind of support will be crucial. AI can help with navigation, manage life support systems, and even provide emotional support, making these long journeys safer and more comfortable. Challenges for AI in space exploration. While AI offers incredible possibilities, it also comes with challenges. Space is a harsh environment with extreme temperatures, radiation, and other factors that can interfere with technology. AI systems need to be tough enough to handle these conditions. Reliability is another big concern. A single mistake in space can jeopardize an entire mission, so AI needs to be as close to error-free as possible. Engineers are working hard to build systems that are resilient and can adapt to unexpected situations. Finally, there's the issue of keeping AI up to date. Space missions take years of planning, and by the time an AI system is launched, it might already be outdated. Scientists are developing ways to update AI remotely, ensuring it stays useful throughout the mission. Despite these challenges, the future of AI in space exploration looks incredibly promising. Each advancement brings us closer to unlocking the secrets of the universe. AI is changing the game for space exploration, helping us go further, learn more, and even search for life beyond Earth. From guiding rovers to predicting space weather, AI is making the impossible possible. If you're as excited as we are about the future of space and technology, hit that subscribe button and join us at Kozu Webworks. Let's keep exploring the stars together. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.